I sincerely want to apologize for the breaking transmission. You know, our Nigerian factor, which has to do with light. But nevertheless, we have an alternative, and thank God we are back. Okay, so we are now going to add up this. Okay, so this now becomes 7.5400000419 times 10 to the power of 9 minus 5. And 9 minus 5 is said to be 4. So this is your answer. 7.5400000419 times 10 raised to the power of 4. You may be asked to approximate it to maybe 2 places of decimal or 3 places of decimal. Only then you are allowed to cut out the non-significant digit. So this is what you get in terms of addition. So for addition of numbers involving in standard forms, this is what you get. So I will now take questions on addition and subtraction. So Sarah, can you hear me? Are you online? Okay, let me know those of you that are online. Use the comment section to tell me you're online. Sarah, are you with me? Oh, King, you're online. King, do you understand all I have said? Okay, good. King, where are you chatting from? King, I would like to know your location. Iraq. Wow, that's nice. And how is Iraq today? Yes, Sarah. What happened? You went off. Okay, yeah. There's something actually went off, and I'm back online now. Okay, all right. Okay, good. Refresh it again and see. Yes. Okay. Oh, Iraq is good. That's nice. You're watching me live from Nigeria. Okay. Now, If actually you understand all I have said, I'm going to display on the screen a new set of exercise. It will be on subtraction, and I'll expect you to give me the answers. Okay? So Sarah and other students online, I will expect you to solve this using what I have done, the same method I have done. Okay? So you're asked to evaluate the following, leaving your answers in standard form. So let me see you solve all of this. We have about 5 questions. So I will give you the first 3. Okay, let's look at it this way. So solve the first 2, okay? All right, let me solve question 1 for you. Subsequently, you can now solve question 2 and 2 to 5, okay? So question 1 will just be like a guide for you to solve, okay? So let's solve it this way. Let's solve it this way. Just like I said, you factorize out the common index, okay? So between 10 raised to the power of 5, 10 raised to the power of 6, I beg your pardon, and 10 raised to the power of 4, what is common? Look at the least index that is there, okay? The common index is 10 raised to the power of 4, because you can get 10 raised to the power of 4 from 10 raised to the power of 4, as well as from 10 raised to the power of 6. But 10 raised to the power of 6 is not common, because you can't get 10 raised to the power of 6 from 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000, while 10 raised to the power of 6 is 100,000. A million, sorry. So you discover that 10,000 is smaller than a million. So you can, in that case, we say 10,000 is common. So you factorize out 10,000. So I'm going to write this as 3.73 times 10 raised to the power of 4 times 10 raised to the power of 2 minus 5.83 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So when you factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4 from these two brackets, you are going to have 3.73 times 10 raised to the power of 2 minus 5.83 all to 10 raised to the power of 4. So when you now simplify this, which is 3.73 times 10 raised to the power of 2, it gives you 373 minus, this becomes 5.83 times 10 raised to the power of 4. And when you subtracting 5.83 from 373, what would I give you? Let's see. If you have, let me do the subtraction here. 373 minus 5.83 is said to be points double zeros. 0 minus 3 cannot, so you borrow 1 from here. This becomes 2, and this becomes 10. 10, you borrow 1 from 10, this becomes 9, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1 point. 2 minus 3 minus 5, it cannot. You borrow 1 from here, this becomes 6, and this is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. You bring down 6 and 3. So this is 367.17 when you subtract 5.83 from 373. So this is 367.17 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Writing this in standard form gives you 3.6717 times 10 raised to the power of 6. So this is your answer. Don't forget to like our videos as you watch. Why we recommend that you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from these classes. This is a daily classes which lasts for 2 hours within the hours of 7 p.m. to 12 p.m. Nigerian time, and it's based on mathematics. So we can also take other subjects based on your demand. So I will expect you now to solve question number 2 to 5 while I take more questions from you on areas you don't understand. All right. So you can solve question 2 and 3. I'll be with you.